oxtail for dinner today. So then a pot. Season up, look a flavour up. Now start cook it, just start cook. Not reach now yet, raw. See it. So I'm going to go there now, throw on the pressure cooker on it and make it go and simmer down. Can go and bubble up, you see it? Alright. Yeah man, see it now, we take out of the pressure and put in a Dutch pot here now. So simmer down low and nice and you see it? Yeah man. Most people don't know if you deal with oxtail, you know, but now take a look. And this for the youth them Sunday, you know. Yeah. So I know everything. Yeah, well, I'm butter bean. Yeah. I go fling the butter bean in it. I don't know the style of the thing set. Butter bean. Oxtail be talking butter bean in a fire. So alright, I hit that up on the simmer in a simmer. Season of going right yet, so I'm going to chop up some scallion, some honey and some thyme, some rare and some lele and some lung lang leng and some other little badang balang dung. So I don't want to tell you how to go in night because you know my style, I'm not to go into the whole of the recipe. So red peas up on fire and I'm going to boil it up in a pot now. Alright. I'm going to simmer down in a style and I'm going to simmer right down. The pressure make nice and blow up. Alright, so what we are going to see there? Alright. Alright. This we are going to eat that. Alright, this we are going to do that right man. Eat there now. Yeah man, time for the butter bean out as well. So the bean right now. Alright, look. Simmer down in a style now. Let it sweat down. Let me show you what I go on back look a bit tonight. You understand what I go on from the oxtail, you know? Left a couple more minutes and it's ready. Couple more minutes and it's ready. Yeah. Coconut grate up and blend up and juice out and peas in a pot and thing and you know. Before my time and Lola and lay night and thing. Alright, so catch me back in the second chapter again. And the final result like this. Done season up, done simmer down. Fire lock off underneath here now. Season up. Yes, and the scallion, the thyme, the pepper, the pimento seed. Yeah, we're good to go. Right, I got throw in a pot now. You know which style? Alright, I hit that. Catch me in a pot too. Right, in a pot now, see that? I go right down, it's all steamer run. Whole heap of steamer run out tight. It's a run ready. Come on, see my Massima here down, you know. Massima down. So, you can go and steam out now then. Peas and rice ready. You know that set? Alright, catch me in a part 2. This is the next way. Just steam rice. Get the rice and well steam and steam out the whole of starch out tight. You use a piece of cling film. And then you put your cover upon it. Yeah. And take that, you see me? So watch what I go on now. Look on it. Alright, you see me I talk about? That is how you steam rice. Steam will kick up in the camera. You see? That's rice and peas. Yeah man, that's rice and peas. That rice and peas. See? Yeah. See? No dumpling rice. Proper shelly. Red rice with peas. That's nice. Can take out the something outside. See that something here? That's something here. Can take it out. Alright. I eat that. I eat that. One hand me I use, you know. One hand me I use. One hold the camera and one hold the spoon. Don't want that share pots. Don't want that share. Don't want that share. Alright, you see? Eat that. Ready to take off a fire like Freddy. Yeah. So. See what I go on? Yeah, man. Eat there. See it? Alright, I can zoom in on it. I can zoom in on it, show you. You want to get a bigger zoom too? A bigger zoom. Alright, you see it? That's what I go on. That's what I go on. Yeah, man, that's how we deal with it. See it? You see it? Yeah, man. That's rice and peas. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so who want to eat with me? When I talk, who want to eat with me now? When I talk, I'm going to share it and go on some. Yeah, man, so catch me in a part 2. Blend up. Alright, you know, blend up. Yeah, go in a pot, on the side. So things that you send there can't spoil. Here we are, get me back in a part 2, blend up. Juice ready now. I carrot that. Well, spice up and nice up. Dice up the way you know so you're supposed to spice up. Alright. Now we're not going to have a drink and eat. Alright, so what try go on? I'm going to share some food for the group of them. Yeah, and the finishing touch. The finishing touch. Finishing. Good to go. Finish. Finishing snap. Good to go. Dinner share. Everybody about to dig in. So watch me. Catch me back when I do another video. So the final touch of my juice. Well, this is what I have in this now. I have carrot. I don't show me the carrot juice. I blend up already. Yeah. You see that oats. I'm back right now. You see what I go on. Original spirulina. See what I go on? So I'm going to have 2 spoons of spirulina in my thing. And I'm going to blend it with my carrot and my oats and my spirulina. And I eat that. Madness. See it now? And my oats, carrot, and my spirulina. I eat this. Is it? Yeah. I'll show you what I'm going on my broth. Alright. See a glass full there. That is a glass full. Cover up like that. Alright. Yeah, man. So watch where I go on now. So I think that